Beatrice Rhodes here. I'm going to show you how to do an easy push-up even for beginners, okay? Why I thought about to show this, because my husband couldn't do it when I was trying to explain to him how I was doing it. So I thought if he doesn't get it, maybe this can benefit other people as well. So let's go and do it. And by the way, I'm a qualified personal trainer and fitness instructor and nutrition coach, and I also practice pranic healing. So find a table. I think this table is really a good level up. And you stand hip width apart. So this is hip width apart, straight down. Okay. And then arms close to your body, very snug. My husband said it was like marching, okay, if you are in the army or whatever. And then if you imagine the only thing that is going to lead to change as a hinge is your ankles. So the whole body is like a very firm plank. So you need to trust yourself when you are leaning forward here now. And you can obviously, the more right up you stand, if you want to have a wall, the more right up you stand, the easier it is, okay? But the only thing that is really in a hinge is your ankles, because the rest of it is completely firm, like a plank. You're not going in or out or anything like that. The only thing you can think to help you a little bit is you push forward your hips. But if you have a bit of a big tummy, which my darling husband has, apparently it's a bit tricky to push forward your hips. So I'm going to show you, and this worked with him, so hopefully it will work for you as well. Okay, so you lean, so your hips, hip width apart, ankles are the only thing that's going to lean forward here now in a hinge. So you go down, okay, so when you see me now, I'm completely like a plank. My arms are snug into my body, and then I lean forward and then up. Okay? Okay, you can also do them towards a wall, and then the closer up to the wall, the more straight up you stand, and the easier it is. But if it's the first time you do it, start easy, and then you just move your legs back, and then you go to the wall, and then you just go in, okay, breathe in, okay, that's all you do, okay. And then if you start with 3, 4, 5 or whatever, and then increase it each day or each second day. So maybe the first day my husband is going to do now, this is going to do, I think it was 10 to begin with. So he's going to do 10 like this, and then tomorrow he's going to do 11, and then 12 and 13 and so on. And then when you come up to a good number that you think that you stay with, you stay with that for a while and then increase it again, okay? Or you can increase every third day as you like it. But start with 3, 4, 5 as you like, when you feel your own body, and then just increase it. And I promise you, if you do this every day for a month, you will see and you will feel the difference. When my husband was doing this, he was shaking. His arms were literally shaking because he hasn't done anything for a very long time, exercise-wise, with his arms. So you might shake, but just work through it. 1, 2, 3. Start with 3. Start with anything, okay? Lots of love to you, good luck. And if you like this and you like the video, please subscribe and then please share it. Maybe your friends might enjoy it as well. And head over to my Facebook group and get more information like this. Lots of love to you. Bye bye.